Hey everyone, welcome back to Chicken Cindy's. Been working on the Dolomite, felt pretty good about the Dolomite, but not something for the Dolomite. Let's get into it. So I was talking back and forth with someone in the comments over just different things to kind of get some weight savings on this bike some more so, and they recommended I purchase these. My daughter's helping today. Ooh. So we got some new tires. Yeah, new tires. They are from Framed. They are 26 by 4 inches. They were about $40 a pair, so not too terribly expensive. And I'm interested to see how much of a weight savings these are going to be compared to the Big Fatties. So let's get the Big Fatties off. Let's get these on the scale, the Big Fatties on the scale, and we'll see what the weight difference is. And we'll start with that. I'm going to do these one at a time. So the Big Fatty weighs 1.39 kilograms. 3.06 pounds, and 49 ounces exactly. So, let's go. So 3.06 pounds. It's almost 3 pounds, huh? All right. And the frame tire is 2.86. 2.86 pounds. We got 45.8 ounces and 1.3 kilograms. So they're lighter. And a cool thing about this again is the fact that these are, it's rotational weight. It's Elsie's back there playing. It's rotational weight, so it'll seem like more on the trails. So I'm gonna put the front one on, and then I'm gonna go and weigh the back as well and see if there's a difference or not. Here is the weight of the rear tire. I expect it to be pretty similar to the front tire. 1.405 kilograms. We got 3.1 pounds and 49.5 ounces. So this one's a little heavier, but it might be because of all the dirt that's on it. It is a little more muddy than the other one, or dirty. All right. Now for the framed new tire, got 46.7 ounces, 1.325 kilograms, and 2.92 pounds. So they're all pretty close within weight of each other. Now we'll get this one put on the rear, we'll put it on the actual bike, and now we'll weigh the entire bike and see where we're sitting now. Got the new frame tires, which I love the name Wolftrax. That is such a cool tire. Honestly, Big Fatty was pretty good too. But got the new tires put on this bad boy. Let's get it in the scale and see what the new weight is. So I officially have a new challenge. I just want to see how light we can get this bike now. Just because I think it'll be a really fun challenge. So let me know in the comments of any other upgrades I can do that could potentially save some weight. All right, the new weight is 34.88. So you got 34.88, 558 ounces, and 15.82 kilograms. So the original weight, let me get my phone, I wrote them down, typed them down. The original weight of this out of the box for me was 37.61 pounds. It was 35.32 pounds after I did the upgrades and everything. And now we're below 35 pounds with 34.88. So I feel like I'm to the point to where any other upgrades I do are going to be expensive ones. So like I could probably get a new wheel set, that'll be lighter. I could probably get a new fork, that'll be lighter, but I'd imagine I'd have to go with carbon fiber to make that lighter, and I really don't want to do that. But I'm pretty stoked with this being less than 35 pounds now. That's pretty impressive. I do have new crank arms coming in, and I know I weighed the bottom bracket, it was over a pound. So I'm really hoping that the new bottom bracket is going to shave another pound off, give or take, and maybe we can get this below 34 pounds. That'll be awesome. But do you guys have any ideas of some upgrades that I could potentially do to get this thing lighter? What's the overall goal? I don't think we can get it to 32 pounds. I think that's asking for just a little too much. But this bike's been awesome so far, and I've been having a lot of fun doing these upgrades. So as of right now, I'm very happy with where it stands. And other than that, what else can I do to it? Thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time, I hope you all take care.